Eufy Clean by Anchor, RoboVac G30 Hybrid SES, with both vacuuming and mopping capabilities. RoboVac G30 Hybrid SES gives you 2 fewer chores to worry about. The ultra-strong 2000 PA suction picks up more debris across all surfaces, while the mopping module applies the finishing touch. Enjoy up to 8 weeks hassle-free cleaning. Equipped with a sizable 3.2-liter dust bag, you're free from manually emptying for up to 8 weeks. Enjoy maximum convenience and long-lasting cleanliness with minimal effort. As per eufy laboratory data, duration varies based on home environment and pets. Dynamic navigation. With the path tracking sensor, dynamic navigation allows for purposeful cleaning across all surfaces when compared to random path robotic vacuums. 2000 PA of hard-hitting suction. The ultra-strong 2000 PA of suction power ensures more debris is picked up across all surfaces, giving you noticeably cleaner floors. If you are looking for a product that offers a variety of useful features at an affordable price, Eufy Clean by Anchor, RoboVac G30 Hybrid SES can be found at link to video description.
I've been searching.
Eufy Clean.
If you are looking for a product that offers a variety of useful features at an affordable price, Eufy Clean by Anchor, RoboVac G30 Hybrid SES can be found at link to video description.